Amocha, I beg. You see this money? Help me give Obiadad. No be the 30,000 no. I no wan come dey wait make the time come pass. E become be say my name no enter that book for London. I wan go down London by all means. So carry this money now. Give am to Obiadad. I beg. Tell am say me hold am o. I go still bring the 30,000 by next tomorrow. My market, I go sell and finish. I go come bring the 30,000, come give her. This one I make you just carry am o, make him mind.
Calm down.
Calm down. Me no say I dey serious. You know say I dey hustle since me I gather money. This one now, na your own. You know say you be my friend. So carry this one. Pressurize am. You know say you be the mama.
Nothing there.
Biko, I no wan miss that London.
No shaking. Calm down. Now we dey talk wetin dey happen.
I trust you.
With this one, im go calm down.
Hi, Biko.
No wahala yourself.
Beg am for me, Biko.
The thing be say no talk about cooking food again o. You know when we reach there we go know wetin we go do. Yeah?
That food, I think say they like this our local delicacies, all this our abacha dem.
You don start again. You know say na this abacha make am vex. Calm down.
No go talk am.
When we get there, they say if we cross the bridge, we will know what to do.
Anyhow.
Anything go come out.
Yeah,
they go, no problem.
Thank you, my sister.
No,
I trust you. Ever call a mistake, Biko.
No. My friend. Right, watch your move. So na 6,000. Na me they give 2,000. Obiadada 6,000. No problem. Na me get all of them. Obiadada no get anyone.
Here is the land.
Okay. I have seen it. But it's not what we are demanding from you to pay.
You know, see this land pass with me and you talk now. It's very big now. Look at it now. It's very big.
Can I see the length of the
okay,
land?
start from this side now. At the end of that palm tree.
Okay, from that place down to here, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, say this land pass with me and you don't agree. So you go pay 220k. The land is big now. Now because of say me and my family want go London. Now make I want to see the land. Nothing much.
So from what I'm seeing here, I can only pay that 200,000 naira, nothing more.
200,000 naira.
Yeah.
200,000 naira. You know what's going to happen? Just bring the money. And I don't get time now, so how go do them?
Let's go and sign the documents.
You know, the documents are intact, so let's go and get it.
Okay, let's go and sign it.
Hello? Yeah, please, can I be on to Queen Elizabeth herself? Oh, good afternoon, how are you, Majesty? Queen Elizabeth of England. Yes, this is Obi Dai.
Yes, this is Captain Obi Dai. Oh yeah, she's fine. She's fine. Angela is fine. She's okay, and I am okay too. And my bodyguards, they are okay too. The two of them are here with me. I sent the other two to go get something. You want to hear their voice?
Oh, okay.
Your Majesty, you know.
You sick? How dare you shout at her like that? Huh? I'm sorry, ma.
Don't bother. The ones here are not really relevant. When all of them gather, I will call you back to speak to them generally. Oh yes. Everybody is ready. The list is almost ready. I have 78 people. It's remaining just 2 to complete 80. Oh yes, ma. Huh? You have elevated me. Oh my God, Your Majesty, I am. Hi, Queen Elizabeth, I hail you. Queen Elizabeth, I hail you. Queen Elizabeth, I hail you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. All right. Bye for now. Chai.
Captain. London Captain.
Captain Ijeko.
The only captain we know in this village. Obiadada, my brother. No, Captain. I am sorry. It's a slip of tongue.
I came to apologize to you about what happened the last time. I did not recognize your office that much. And just to prove to you that I am very, very serious, I have come to ask for your forgiveness so that you can put me in the list, including my new girlfriend. You remember my old girlfriend? There was rumor that you guys were having, she dey feel am, I dey touch am, but those things were rumor. I want you to forgive me for misunderstanding you. Now I've come to realize that you are the only way, truth, and everything that has to do with me traveling to London. Please, I am sorry. Me and my girlfriend, we are sorry. We want to go to London. Is it not it? Yes. And I've decided that nothing will stop me from achieving my London dreams. Not even no woman in this life will make me not to go to London and watch my favorite team, Chelsea, play at the Stamford Bridge. So I am sorry, Captain.
Captain, we planned if we get to London, we'll get married there.
And not only to get married, we also plan to have children there so that they will become citizens of Britain.
Yes, Captain.
Yes, that's why I've come to ask you for forgiveness and to also show you how serious and ready we are. Yes. We also came with, yeah, it's not to bribe you, it's just to appreciate your captainship and relationship with the Queen of England. Others are giving 30,000, but we came with a whooping sum of 50,000 to appreciate your captainship, so that you can put us in the list and take us to London. How old are you? Yes.
How much can I say on a bring?
50,000, Captain.
One person 50, one person 50.
I need about 100,000.
When I bought 100. You see it? When I told you people that young men like you supposed to work harder. When you see this opportunity like this, don't miss it. Don't misuse it. Opportunity come but once. Look at it. Lucky for you, I have only 2 spaces. Just 2. And thank God you came at because the other woman is also coming with her family.
No, she should.
Ella here. Amanda Neza and her family. They are also coming this month that they are coming to register her family. Igrinta. All of them are also coming. I will forgive you because you've really done what you're supposed to do as a man. Yes. Wait a minute. You said you want to go over there and start having children.
Yes, so that they will become citizens. Of Britain. Yes, I heard.
You marry her there or here?
When we go there, we'll marry her.
Hey, wo. Eba ke Ghana le. Owo eba.
If I marry her, they will not give us citizenship. Yes.
Envelopes.
Thank you, sir. It's complete. 50,000 meant. Meant from CBN.
She's your new girlfriend.
Yes, and my future wife in England.
Nothing will stop you from going to London.
Nothing, not even a woman. Nothing will stop my dream.
London. Like I said, I have only 2 spaces. And what happened now is that your new fiancé will undergo a thorough interview, because all the girls that will get married over there, all of them, I'm going to check their fallopian tube, check an optical cord, then know the situation of their womb, because we wouldn't want barren woman to go over there in London and when they bury nearby. Any level technology. So please, you will now go while she goes inside for a proper checkup and interview.
Captain, in as much as I don't understand all this England English that you just spoke, but the interview is it for two of us? Because it is two of us that is going to London.
You didn't get interview on Yara.
Hey.
Don't go and leave her, let her run interview for your own sake.
But Captain, I just told you that this is a woman I want to marry. And once we go to London, we will get married and have children.
And for the fact that you've not gotten married to her, it is in London you will marry her. Wait until we get to London, you will not talk of marriage. But for now, she has to go through interview. I have to run interview on her. You know what I mean? So please leave or forget about going to London.
Well, I've decided that nothing will stop me from going to London.
Are you in or out?
I am in.
Will you come and sit down? Turn around first. You are too fast. Turn until I ask you to turn finish. Turn. Remain like that. Turn again. Stand like that. Show me your front. Stay. You don't born before. Mubedunwa. Mubedunwa mbo. Mbu hota akwali ego ni. Hey babe. Anyway, when we get to London and make your surgery about sit on my laps. Gradually. Hey babe.
Yes, Captain. Yes, Captain.
Elen katana aboja hanazim. What are you holding?
Captain, sir.
You are holding captain.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to lose captain now. Attention!
Yeah.
About turn! Face each other. I said face each other.
Yes, Captain.
Your face. The other way. The other way. Oh yeah. Face, that has. By the left, mark time. Left, right, move. Forward, march. Oh yeah. Left, right, go. Left, right. Stupid thing. Stand there and stand straight.
Ihe gbasara London, ọ bụ mụ bụ ya n'isi o.
Why? You want to go to London? What
Na
part of
business
London?
I
The Western
dey,
London or
na
the Eastern
business
London?
we dey.
Or the Northern London?
You
Let's go
give
to the
me,
middle
I
London.
give
That
you,
place will
problem
favor
no
you.
go dey.
The middle London? Ah, if you venture in there,
Angelina nwanne m eze erula anyị n'aka o.
move inside for your interview. A proper interview that will take a lot of
But
time.
if you want to go London, you must run an interview.
Move.
Touch me, I touch you, God do no go vex.
About
Carry
turn.
your pikin come house,
Come over
we
here,
dey for rule here.
Come here.
You pay in cash, you pay in kind, all of them on point.
What? Where exactly are you heading to? Because you are looking lovely. What are you doing? Oh, what? What's this? London. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Got your crew. I can break it down. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, this? Actually, did you hear me? I'm behaving the way I will behave over there in London.
Eh?
In London.
What?
London.
Married woman like you. What are you going there to do?
I am the one going. My husband is not going. So I'm going to represent. I'm going there.
To do what?
To represent.
Represent who? Oh, you want to take my
country?
shine? You want to take my shine? Eh?
Which shine?
Me that is going to Obodo Ibo because of Queen Eliza's son. Ha! Captain has already told me that Queen Eliza's son is meant for me.
You can check and walk Ruga. Onya? Which Queen Elizabeth?
I don't understand.
Which Queen Elizabeth's son? I hope you're not. Don't even go there. That is my target, and we've been chatting.
Yeah, who chatting? Old woman like you. You better step back with your husband. You're not the happening chick in this town. You don't mess with me.
You don't look lovely, I
don't understand.
You don't look lovely,
You know what? I don't have your time. Excuse me.
Well, all the same, that's lovely, we are still on the same page. Lovely, Lovely, that's lovely,
Captain, that is the money.
All your family?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Is going?
We are going.
Yeah. So everybody's going, eh?
Yes, Captain.
Yes. In that case, you have won yourself a green visa, brown visa, white visa, and then London Bridge visa.
Wow.
Everything is complete now. All your family. The only thing you will do for me now, go home, tell your family everybody should start washing off their clothes.
Okay.
And tell your wife, please, very important. That very cloth which you wear come my house the other day.
Okay.
That one, bam, is no-go area. And don't mururu, please let them wash their clothes properly. Because London is allergic to odor and inhale and old things. He said we shall be made new once we land into the London Bridge. You understand what I mean?
Captain, you know, it won't be a problem. If it means buying clothes for my family, then I will buy it. I will do that, yeah. I will do it.
That's good.
Okay.
I love your spirit.
Thank you. But don't forget to write our name.
Oh.
Don't forget.
Forget it. That one is nothing. You have already written your name by yourself with yourself.
Okay, thank
you. The money you
much.
gave to me have landed you into green card, green visa,
wow,
white visa. In fact, look at you, look at Queen Elizabeth. Lekwe family, lekwe Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, Captain. It's
all right.
I'll take my leave now.
Better.
Okay, thank you.
Better.
Thank you,
I
Captain.
wouldn't want people to see us around because we are not in the same class.
Yeah, I know that, but we'll soon be.
It's in God's hands.
Yeah,
anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll leave now.
Oh, yeah, leave.
They should take their bed properly, oh.
Thank you.
Good morning, Captain.
Is that all you can do? Come on, will you bow down and greet me?
Good morning, Captain.
Better. How may I help you?
I beg, we want to snap picture with Ada London. So we say make we come see if you can grant us the opportunity.
Yes.
You want to snap picture?
Yes. Captain.
With Her Royal Majesty. Wonder shall never end. Everybody wants to snap with a celebrity. Even when you are not properly dressed. Can't you see the way you are looking? Do you think Her Royal Majesty will allow both of you to come close to her? Or don't you know what she is? Don't you know whom she is? Don't you know what she is made up of? Do you think she's an ordinary person you can just walk into her or walk onto her to say, I want to take a picture? Come on, you like insulting person. I like it very much. Because what you just vomited now is an insult to her. Anyway, because you both are bona fide daughters of this community, I'm going to grant both of you the request. But it will cost you something. 10,000 naira each person.
But now, only picture when we want snap now. If you help us talk to her now.
I feel help you take knife, slaughter her into pieces. No, I'm going to mama bole here because you want to snap picture. Are you not happy that I want to even help you to snap picture with somebody who have traveled abroad? Do you know what it takes to travel to London? Have any of your family members been to White House before, let alone eating and dining with Queen Elizabeth? Your money is 5,000, 10,000 each person.
No, it's too much. Won't snap like 3 times with her.
It's too much.
What about the one? Again, I got 30,000, 10,000 pay pose.
Please, I beg, give me that money.
Yes, give it to him.
Captain, go. Take this one, I beg.
How much is
it's 4,000. I'll go on my own around and get complete money.
So, Captain, when is it going to be?
4,000 now.
Yes.
Who owns this one? Your own or be her own?
Our own.
Okay. It's remaining 16,000.
Captain. Okay, we'll run around for it.
We'll run around. Captain, please, can you put our name, those that will go to London? Biko, I beg. Can you register our name for those that will go to London? Biko, I beg.
You don't want snap for that again?
We want to snap. We also want to go to London.
You want snap picture? You still want to go to London?
Yes.
That was in her, boss.
Yes.
They got interview.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I need to run interview on both of you.
Okay.
Very thorough interview that will last for like 1 month. Then while doing so, you will go home and rally around and get 250,000 naira each.
250,000. Captain is much now.
Please.
We think send 30,000 others they pay.
Yes.
Ah. So you don't already know what others are paying. You have already calculated what others are paying. Maybe only 30,000. Come make I bangle you and take you to London free of charge. Go home and get the money for the pictures. Then later we'll talk about the traveling. But remember, a thorough interview has to be run on both of you. Are you getting my point?
Yes, Captain.
You have gone to gather the information of what others are paying. Also ask them of what they are doing. I'm going to out him nego. I am abata name monye ni mu no diko onye nwa unu na onye nsọpụta unu. I'm going to out him nego. Use your brains.
Okay.
You can leave.
Thank you, Captain.
God bless
Just
you.
that? Just thank you, Captain, and you want to go? Come on, will you come and pick Captain?
Beg. Not. Captain, where will I start from?
Start from my bum.
All hail the London Captain! All hail the London Captain!
In a hell, in a hell, eh? Why are you hailing me at this point? All this while I've been talking, you did not hail me. Stupid idiot. You are hailing your great grandfather. All this while I've been talking here, you did not hail your generation. All hellfire to your family. Let me hear anything from you now. Make me hear na help you na Book of London. Stupid idiot. And what are you still standing there doing?
Sorry, Captain.
Sorry for your. Come back here.
Captain.
What are you going to do at my Azulu name?
Sorry, we miss our way.
Why won't you miss your way? Bingo, una amene na London wine. Uno bila kwa igonu na shi. Mi aya chom. Chefu address ebe unu shiri bia. Stupid imbeciles. Attention! Turn your back or your face back. Don't look front. Face back. Hold the iron. Stand there for hailing me unannounced. All hell London. All hell London. You got that bread. All hell. Mama, leave me one. Leave me two.
Three.
Leave me three.
Four.
Leave me don't.
What is it? What is it?
Why are you holding me as if I'm owing you? Do you know the capacity in me? Do you know whom you are holding? What have I done to deserve this embarrassment? You are embarrassing me for crying out loud. You are embarrassing me, a captain of a Federal Republic of UK. I am not just here by myself. I was appointed by the Queen Elizabeth herself. Yes! You are embarrassing me before my gods.
Are you done talking?
Leave me, Osama, you done talking. Leave me alone.
Leave you for what? Look at you. In your mind now, you have boys, so they're outside there watching over you. Those that couldn't lift up one of my legs. Those ones. Look at you, personality. Who personality you? It is me that is here. That personality, because if I don't give birth to you, nobody will personality you. So, my friend, give me money, because give me money. I want to buy clothes that I will wear to enter plane. That is what I'm looking for. No problem. If you just give me money.
Just listen to yourself. Sometimes you talk like a commoner. Sometimes you talk as if you are not educated. Sometimes you talk like just ordinary mother. Mother and kete. As the mother to a captain, you're supposed to talk. Whenever you talk, people will feel your presence. People will feel your swag. People will know that, yes, somebody's mother is talking. A captain mother at that. Not just an ordinary mother. When you want to talk, you mother talks. Instead of talk into a mother, then you mother talks. What makes you a mother? What makes you my own mother? What makes you a mother of a personality like me? You're supposed to be happy that, yes, God put this personality in your stomach and you begot me as a son. You're supposed to, when you talk, people will feel you. You don't talk as if you're this thing. Give your money for what? Where will I get the money from? Where do you expect me to get the money from? Huh?
The money those people that have been giving you, coming here to pay you, I've been seeing it. Go and get money from those money, that money that they give you, and give to me.
Hi. Sometimes people address some people as beauty without brain. But I will not address you as that because you are my mother. I will give you that little respect. But mother, if you know what is good for you, leave me alone. Where do you expect me to get money to give to you? Oh. You think all those money that people come here to pay is my money? Don't you know I'm going to give an account? Don't you know I'm going to account to Elizabeth? Oh, Queen Elizabeth, do you think it's my money? If I give you the money, what will I tell Queen Elizabeth? I should take Elizabeth money and give to you. Jesus Christ of Mary Magdalene. Mary James. Why? Because leave me alone. Money is not for me. No. The money is meant for my madam and Queen Elizabeth and London at large.
Stop blabbing. You know I am your mother. I know what you know, and you know I know it. So you cannot play me. Which account are you making? Okay, go and get me 40,000 naira to buy a befitting clothes that I will wear to enter play. So I'm not the type of person you will play. Mba.
All those for 40,000. I'm a Mabrunime bank. Vandalize all the whole place. Liquidate all the whole bank. Then crop all the whole bank. Crop all the bank chakro room. Then we read the 40 million naira. Mwabigaga, ije vanish into the market. Ije as a casket. Ije lie in state. I'll give you 40,000. Ije aqua. Ije aqua white aqua and then keep right. I go to Nollywood. Ije Mabrunime plane. Also 40,000. I should give you 40,000 naira. Just listen to yourself. The money you have in this house, immediately you head London, pam. You quit the gaga, piam gishago. Gisharia, Gazoro powder, Merina care. Where are Yanni who? Emergency can we go? Oko tell him, I got the one equal 3-way mother. Gisho Magara Shatrat. We go color. Give we go to check for that there will be a day of reckoning. That the main day is coming when you will buy things for traveling. What do you think that what? Mama, don't let me to speak. If I speak grammar, you will not like me.
Look at this boy, Look at you. I went and bought all these things to represent you. And I bought these things because of you. You want me to start wearing rank? I'll be working when my son is representing Queen Elizabeth. Am I mad? I have sense. I didn't even trouble you. I didn't ask you for money. I used my money, my last card, to dress myself well, to look good for you. Now come on to give me money to go and buy clothes that I will wear. You don't want to give me.
Don't look good for me. Go to the grave where your husband is lying. That is the person you will look good for.
I'm dressing you up. I'm dressing you up. No problem, no problem. Since you don't want to give me, I've arranged your trouser. Go to work. Let me go inside, under that bed where you keep the money. Let me go and collect it myself.
Mama, no touch my mama. Hey, gas! London gas! All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.